Hamilton transport ventilator. We got the neonatal or the adult. What was the last patient that you had? Male, female. Just our tidal volume. PEEP. FiO2. I believe you can press, turn, press again. That locks in the mode. And what do we have? Our adaptive pressure ventilation, pressure control, non-invasive ST mode. Let's see what else we have here. There's other modes available. Adaptive pressure ventilation, SIMV, pressure control ventilation, SIMV, spontaneous, dual PEP, APRV, non-invasive ST, alarm parameters, high alarm parameter, low alarm, low pressure, expiratory minute ventilation, frequency, minute ventilation, apnea, high and low, high frequency, minute ventilation, high and low. You see our past events, anything that might have happened while the patient was on the ventilator. Something we don't need right now, but this is pretty cool. Put in the weight of the patient for the ideal body weight. Helps you calculate the ideal body weight for the tidal volume. But this is inches, I'm sorry. And this is the